How to fix YouTube buffering issue? Well, to fix YouTube buffering issue, there are main two different options that you'll have to keep in mind. Two different solutions. Now, if you're using browser or app, whether you're using browser or app, you want to make sure that the internet connection that you're connected to is working securely and strongly. So if you're facing internet connection issues, if you're facing the buffering issue, it can most probably be the connection issue, And also, if you're using browser, you can refresh the page and close and reclose the application if you're using app. Sometimes you can pause the video and let the video buffer for a few minutes by pausing it after it starts playing, and then you can play it back again and watch it. Now, also make sure to close other programs running in the background that may be using bandwidth, so that way you'll have smooth connection on YouTube. Restart your device for buffering issues and make sure that the application is updated to the latest version. So as I mentioned earlier, the two main steps to fix the buffering issue is to make sure your internet connection is strong, and the second is to keep your application updated to the latest version, as that plays a major role in your application playing smoothly, right? So update them to the latest version. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.